Siri is a great feature to go and have enabled. With it, you can go and get your iPhone to go and do different things without you having to go and do it yourself with your finger or touching it. So for example, you could go and get it, go and send a message, go and find something out for you. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and enable it. To get started, open the settings on your iPhone like so. Then you want to go and scroll down and you need to go and find Apple Intelligence and Siri and click there. Now, what you want to do is you want to come down to Talk to Siri and you can go and press that there. So to get started, you can go and switch on, press the side button, and then you can press Enable. So now when we go and press the side button, it'll come on, but I like to go and have the Hey or just the Siri option there enabled as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and tap on this top option like this, and we can press Continue. Now you need to go and say it here. So Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. So this just goes and gets trained and Siri is now ready. Your iPhone is now going to be listening out for Siri or Hey Siri. So you can press done and that's it. So I could say, Hey Siri, and it'll then go and come on as you can see.